Hello, everyone. Welcome to Upgrade. I am very happy to see you here. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English in a simple and easy way. It doesn't matter if your English is zero. We will start from the beginning, step by step, word by word, sentence by sentence. Every video is short. Every lesson is easy. Every topic is useful. You will learn English for real life. You will learn how to introduce yourself, how to make new friends, how to order food, how to ask for directions, how to speak at work, how to travel, how to shop, how to talk with confidence. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn. The most important thing is to keep practicing. In this series, we will learn English through simple stories and everyday situations. You don't need a dictionary every minute. You don't need difficult grammar. Just listen, watch, repeat, and enjoy learning. Today is only the beginning. Your English will become better every day. I believe in you. Let's start this journey together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join our learning community. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.